Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warcraft 3, the Frozen Throne. First, you'll need to understand the game's core objective: destroy your opponent's main base. You'll manage 3 crucial resources: gold, lumber, and food, which are essential for building your army and structures. There are 4 distinct races to choose from, each with unique units and strategies. Mastering your hero units and their powerful spells is key to victory. Effective resource management is fundamental to success. Gold is primarily gathered from gold mines, while lumber is collected from trees to construct buildings and train units. Always ensure you have enough food to support your expanding army, as exceeding your food limit will halt unit production. Building a robust base with defensive structures, such as guard towers, will protect your workers and production facilities from early attacks. Your hero unit is central to your strategy. Choose one at the start and level them up by gaining experience from defeating enemy units. Their unique abilities can turn the tide of battle, so use them wisely. Building a balanced army is also crucial. Combine melee units for the front line, ranged units for damage from afar, and siege units to destroy enemy buildings. Don't forget to research upgrades to boost your unit's effectiveness. Successful combat involves smart tactics. Always scout the map to understand your opponent's movements and army composition. Engage in smaller skirmishes to gain experience for your heroes and wear down enemy forces. When attacking, focus your fire on high-priority targets like enemy heroes or powerful spellcasters to quickly neutralize threats. Ultimately, victory is achieved by destroying your opponent's main base, typically their town hall, great hall, necropolis, or tree of life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.